Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Financial Freedom Guide. On this channel, we dive into everything personal finance and self-development. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important financial tools available to UK residents, the ISA. You've probably heard about it before, but maybe you're not quite sure how it works or why you should care about it. In this video, we'll be breaking down what an ISA is, its full form, how it works, the types of ISAs, and of course, how you can save on taxes with it. By the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of how ISAs can benefit you and how you can take full advantage of them. Let's get started. What is an ISA? ISA stands for Individual Savings Account. It's a special type of savings account that offers you the opportunity to save or invest your money tax-free. Essentially, an ISA is a financial tool designed to help you grow your money without paying any tax on the interest, dividends, or capital gains you earn. Think of an ISA as a protective wrapper around your savings or investments. Normally, when you earn money through interest on savings or profits from investments, the government taxes those earnings. But with an ISA, that doesn't happen. So all the growth, whether it's interest, dividends, or capital gains, stays with you, and the taxman has no claim on it. How does an ISA work? The main purpose of an ISA is to shield your money from tax, and to do so, you must put your savings or investments into an ISA account. Every year, there's a limit on how much you can contribute to your ISA. For the 2025-2026 tax year, that limit is £20,000. This means you can save or invest up to £20,000 across all your ISAs in one tax year, without paying any tax on the growth or income you make from it. So, let's say you put £20,000 into an ISA and it grows by £2,000 during the year. That £2,000 would be completely tax-free. No income tax, no capital gains tax, it's all yours. Types of ISAs. Now, let's dive into the different types of ISAs available to you. There are 5 main types of ISAs. 1. Cash ISA. This is essentially a regular savings account, but with one huge benefit. The interest you earn is completely tax-free. Cash ISAs are a great choice if you prefer low-risk savings. You can put your money into a cash ISA and earn interest without worrying about paying tax on it. 2. Stocks and Shares ISA. A stocks and shares ISA allows you to invest in the stock market, things like stocks, bonds, and funds, without paying taxes on any gains you make. If your investments perform well, your returns will be completely tax-free. This is ideal for long-term investors who want their money to grow more significantly than it would in a regular savings account. 3. Lifetime ISA, LISA. This ISA is designed to help you either buy your first home or save for retirement. The best part? The government gives you a 25% bonus on what you contribute. So if you save £4,000 in a LISA, the government will add £1,000. Which means you're getting £5,000 in total. However, there are some restrictions, such as you can only withdraw the money for your first home purchase, up to £450,000, or when you're 60 or older. 4. Junior ISA. This is for saving on behalf of children. You can save up to £99,000 per year in a junior ISA, and it won't count towards your £20,000 adult ISA allowance. The money in a junior ISA grows tax-free, and once the child reaches 18, the account becomes theirs to manage. Number 5. Innovative Finance ISA. This type of ISA is for those who are interested in peer-to-peer lending. It allows you to lend money to individuals or businesses through peer-to-peer platforms and earn interest without being taxed on your earnings. It's a bit more riskier, but can offer higher returns than traditional savings. Benefits of an ISA. Let's talk about the benefits of using an ISA. 1. Tax-free growth. The primary benefit is that everything you earn from an ISA is tax-free. That means you don't have to pay tax on interest, dividends, or capital gains. This is huge because taxes on investment gains can eat into your returns over time. With an ISA, all your hard-earned money stays exactly where it belongs, with you. 2. Flexible options. There are different types of ISAs for different financial goals. Whether you're saving for a house, planning for retirement, or just building your wealth, there's an ISA that suits your needs. Plus, within each type, you have options to make your money work for you, whether that's through savings accounts, stocks, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending. 3. Long-term growth. If you're investing for the long term, an ISA can be incredibly powerful. For example, investing in a stocks and shares ISA means that your returns can compound over time without any tax deductions, making it a great tool for building wealth for retirement or other long-term goals. 4. No tax on withdrawals. One of the best things about ISAs is that there's no tax when you withdraw your money. As long as the money remains within the ISA, you don't have to worry about paying taxes on any withdrawals. 5. Government contributions for LISAs. With a lifetime ISA, the government adds 25% to your contributions, making it an excellent option for both first-time homebuyers and those saving for retirement. How to use ISAs to save taxes. Now, let's get practical. How can you use an ISA to save taxes? 1. Maximize your annual allowance. The most important thing is to use your £20,000 annual limit effectively. By saving or investing up to the maximum each year, you're ensuring that you're taking full advantage of the tax-free status that an ISA offers. This is especially useful for people in higher tax brackets, as it allows you to grow your savings or investments without worrying about capital gains tax. 2. Diversify your ISAs. You don't have to choose just one type of ISA. You can split your £20,000 limit across different types of ISAs. For example, £10,000 in a cash ISA, £5,000 in a stocks and shares ISA, and £5,000 in a lifetime ISA. This way, you can balance your low-risk savings with higher-risk investments while still taking advantage of the tax-free growth. 3. Plan for retirement. The stocks and shares ISA and lifetime ISA are excellent for retirement planning. By investing for the long term in these accounts, you can watch your money grow without paying tax on your returns. With the lifetime ISA, the 25% government bonus is a huge added benefit for retirement savings. 4. Start early and be consistent. The earlier you start contributing to your ISAs, the more you'll benefit from compound growth. By regularly contributing to your ISAs, you're setting yourself up for long-term success, all while avoiding taxes on your earnings. So that's everything you need to know about ISAs, what they are, how they work, and why they're so powerful for tax-free savings and investments. Whether you're saving for a home, building wealth for retirement, or just looking for a way to grow your money, an ISA is a must-have tool in your financial toolkit. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips and advice. I upload new videos every week. If you found this video helpful, check out this one right here on how to make the most of your ISA allowance before the tax year ends. See you in the next video.